You got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support. Alright, what's going on, guys? We're back with another video. Today I'm gonna be talking about the new Smd amplifier. As y'all can see, he's been floating around the internet, around the car audio community. It's a SMD / it's a collaboration with DS18 and Steve Meade. So I'm gonna leave a picture of it right here, so y'all better check it out. And starting off with it, I've seen a lot of people. I'm looking on my computer here. I'm gonna try to share a couple of pictures and stuff right here on the screen. And I did notice a lot of people had a lot to say about the price. And from what I was looking at, most Korean boards on the 8500s, they are around the same price. I mean, I don't know as far as the other, all of these I think are Korean made, I believe, Korean boards. So, they're supposed to be a better make, I guess. I'm not really familiar with everything, so I'm just going off of what I've been reading online. So, all right, the one I'm gonna stick up right here on the screen, it's the 8500, the SMD monoblock amplifier, the VM1 voltmeter. It comes with the SMD voltmeter built in it, and it has the plexiglass on the screen. I mean, not on the screen, but on the top of the amp, and the board is actually flipped over, so you don't have to flip the amp over. So that's probably a plus, especially if you want to show the insides. And it comes with the built-in LED lights. This is an 8500 watt RMS at 1 ohm amplifier, so that might be a good thing if that's what you're looking for. But it retails for $14.99.95. Of course, you use code BASSWITHKEV, you will be able to save. But my main thing with it is, what I really like is the plexiglass on the front. You don't have to flip the amp or nothing like that. It looks like it's coming with some fans on the top right there. You can see, like I say, I have that up on the screen. When I'm looking over here, I'm looking at my screen. So, y'all bear with me. But it comes with the lights already. You don't have to buy anything extra in order to make this work. So 8500 watt amp at 1500, I think that's kind of the going rate compared to some of the other Korean boards offered by other brands. So like I said, this is a collaboration with DS18 and Steve Meade, the SMD brand. So y'all want to be able to check that out, go over there and use code BASSWITHKEV. You can save on it. But I'm gonna check out this other one. Let's go down a little bit, because it comes in 8500, 5000 watt, and a 250 by 4. That's a Class AB amp, and a 3000 watt mono amp, and we got the 500 by 4 amp, Class AB amp, and a 2000 watt mono block, and a 300 by 4 a Class AB, and a 200 by 4 Class AB. I've seen a lot of people complain about the price on I think it was the 4 channel, I believe. It says it's coming in 1 channel. I mean, 1 channel, 2, and I think 5. I mean 4 and 5. I can't remember exactly. I think I seen something like that online. I'm not. Don't crucify me if I'm wrong, but I think I seen something like that. But I'll leave it right here on the screen so y'all be able to see what I'm talking about. So I'm not actually looking at it right now, so I'm on just, I don't know, there's probably some more things to come, but that's on pre-order right now. But the people complaining about the 300 watt by 4 being $4.99. I'm thinking the price is because of what's been put into the amp. And of course, most Korean amps are expensive anyway, I believe, most of the time. So it's kind of like, I guess that's what you're getting when you're buying Korean amps. It's kind of more pricier. Supposedly built well. So like I said, I'm not a professional, so y'all bear with me. So the 2000 watt mono block is $4.99 as well, and the 200 by 4 is $3.99. So there may be you may be interested in something like that, but it may be out of your price range. But if not, you know, there's always other things, other options you can choose from. But right now, I'm just going through, you know, what's going on right now. So, and we got the 4-channel 500 watt amplifier. 500 by 4 is $599. But you know, of course, people always say, well, the SMD products are more expensive. Like I said, I haven't been doing car audio, or well, I have, but not really a long time as far as certain brands or products. I'm not really familiar with certain things. So I know I have some Smd products myself. I got quite a bit of it, really. So like I told y'all, I'm gonna make another video for that. But I think this amp came right in time. But if I could get this amp in white, I'll really be in there. But anyway, there's neither here nor there. But you know, it's not made in white right now, so maybe it would in the future. But if not, I might have to roll with this. I don't know yet, but I've been considering it. So yeah, like I told you, that came right on time. I might have all SMD matching products in the back. If I can make that happen, I'll be good to go. But you know, I got to make sure it's in my price range for me to, you know, spend it the way I need to spend it. So let's keep on going. Okay, the 3000 watt mono block is $699.95. So like I say, I'm gonna try to put everything up there on the screen. Y'all bear with me if I can't get it. You know, y'all don't crucify me. But the 250 by 4 is $849. There's a class AB amp as well. So that's a 5-channel amp right there. It's 250 by 4 at 2 ohms and an 1800 watt at 1 ohm. So they could probably run your full system right there. I don't know why I didn't scroll down. I guess I didn't even see that at first. I didn't even mention that when I first started talking. But that's a 5-channel amplifier right there. So you can run a full system on that one amplifier. So if there's something you into, you know, that's definitely the way to go. You know, because that 1800 watts is definitely a work for a lot of the subs. So, you know, you get that one amp and get the job done. These things look real good to me. I'm just doing a review based off of what I'm looking at right here. And the specs they're showing. Like I say, y'all can go, I'm gonna leave y'all the link. Y'all can go directly to it, and you'll be able to look at the specs for yourself. And the 5000 watt is $1,149.95. So, and of course the 8500 is $1,499.95. I don't know if the price will go up after the pre-order. I'm not really for sure on that, but you might want to take advantage of the pre-order, because I don't know if they'll sell out. I don't know, but I'm gonna need to move some things around because I'm thinking about it. So I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. I might not, but hopefully I can. But y'all be sure to check these amplifiers out. Just a quick video talking about these amps. Like I said, I'm gonna put some pictures on the screen. I'm gonna leave a link down below. But y'all be sure to use code BASSWITHKEV when you go over here to shop on the website WC Car Audio, and you can save some money on your purchase. So don't forget to do that. You can go over there and pick up some nice SMD fuse and distribution blocks to match it, if that's what you're into. You know, some people say they're a little pricey, but they nice looking to me. They nice product, nice quality, nice customer service. You know, I can't do no complaining. Some of the best packaging I ever received. So the stuff was packaged well. I ain't never had to worry about anything breaking. I done ordered there a couple of times and shipped, you know, and got some, you know, repairs done, and I didn't have any issues with them. And I even got some custom stuff done. It ain't really custom, but it was custom at the time because it wasn't available at the time. So it was kind of custom. So I appreciate that. And they stayed in contact with me to get the job done. And you know, so that's why I go over there. But y'all be sure to like, subscribe, share the video. I'm gonna see y'all back on the next one.
You got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.